outside Arab world.
But how will this happen?
Madre.
I think only FIFA. That's the only chance.
Yeah, FIFA. But in the Arab Cup, they are okay. Like, not too bad, but we still can't say that they are amazing. No.
Yeah, they know our players. Kuwait. They know their names. The twins were good.
Yeah. When was the last time we went outside La Hot Water?
Oh, you told me, Sah.
I
I keep remembering someone drinks
When was
hot water. But
Yeah.
Who is it?
Come on.
Wallah, I'm like,
How
who
many
is
times
it?
I have to tell you how many times now.
That's really weird. I didn't think you'd do that.
Yeah. When was the last time we went? Was it Torba Market? Was our last date?
No way. No way.
Allah, even in Esdan Mall. But that was
This
just for
Christmas,
just.
I came.
No, the Christmas was after, like before Torba Market. Torba
Okay.
Market was this year.
Okay, Turba.
But
Why
then,
do I feel like Turba was too far?
La, it was February, something like that. Was it?
But why was it hot? I remember it was hot.
No, it wasn't.
Wallah?
Anyway, we were walking like outdoor. We walk along like you park far.
Yeah, I know.
Even though it's a winter, but yani the sun was still hot.
I remember the hangouts, but I don't remember when. Okay,
I think Torba was February, right? But then a couple of weeks ago, we hang out for coffee and Esdan Mall.
Yeah, that's
If you
one.
can recall.
Yeah, I remember. I think that was our last.
When was the last time you saw Paula?
عادي 1 month. يعني I see her every day at home.
Ah, yes, still coming, right?
Yeah.
So,
But we went out like 1 month ago
mhm.
or more I think. And so
On your birthday, not the exact date, right? She went out with you.
Yeah, it was Azdan. Yeah. She told me
No,
we were trying to
Esdan
go out with
was
you.
me and you.
Come on, we bought before she traveled. I don't know when that was. She bought
Yeah.
a bracelet for her daughter.
Daughter.
Yeah. She was like, we was trying to hang out with you for your birthday. I was like, why didn't you tell me? Yani, I was busy, for example, I think. No,
No, you were with families and friends on your birthday.
family and friends. On my birthday.
Yeah.
But the days before
I
that,
wished you and said that I still wishing you, but I know that we don't get a chance to see you like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think everyone is busy on our own birthday, right? So
This is maybe the first birthday I celebrate. I don't really care about birthdays.
I never care about my birthday.
Sorry.
Yeah, but after I come here, I appreciate it more than like before. Like with friends, at least do something, even though you don't have a big celebration.
Yeah.
So how's work?
What? What work? I don't have work.
Are you stopped going to school? That
We
one.
finished like 1 month ago. We finished exams. We got 1 year left.
Only 1 year. Mashallah.
And and I'm gonna be a teacher. Kids are
Please
gonna-
still hang out with me when you get rich. Don't forget about me.
Inshallah.
Or you will get your salary. Khalas, I am going to enjoy my salary.
No.
Don't be like that, okay?
I'm scared of work.
La, don't be.
No, I'm scared it will take
It's-
all my life.
La, no.
I want to have fun.
No, you will learn
Discipline. I don't want to be disciplined.
not only discipline, value of life, you will appreciate yourself more. And then dependence, which is really like a big step. So you don't need to depend on anyone nor your parents, even though they still wanna help you out. Parents are parents, but
I will help them out when
you will.
They're old.
So that's gonna give you satisfaction and appreciate yourself more and more. Adult life, the real adult
I'm
life.
27. I'm still not an adult.
يعني now شوي than 2 years ago.
I don't want to be serious. Come on, la. You know my friends are young.
You want it or no, it's gonna happen. It's coming. It's
I
on
will
the way.
be, but I will not act like an adult.
No, don't pay your
I don't want to act like one. Like be serious.
Like what do you mean?
يعني I want to be stupid when I want to be stupid.
You're not stupid.
لا I want to be silly. Like no, don't خلاص you're an adult. Why are you?
No, even.
Why are you acting like this? No, I'm not. If I'm not married, I'm never gonna be an adult. That's in my mind, and I like it. I feel like I'm gonna be young forever.
No, your body and your mind doesn't gonna support that. Okay.
So what?
That mindset.
Why?
You will forget eventually. You will adapt the adult life. You want it or no. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
Adults are miserable.
Believe it or no.
I have money and I have fun. Look, since I got younger friends,
Yeah.
my cousins are like 9 years younger than me. They're the people I go out with and have fun and
Yeah.
do adventures. So as long as they're young, I'm gonna keep doing young things. Because my adult friends, coffee, let's go for coffee.
They're gonna grow. They're gonna grow, especially when they got married. They will be more mature than you ever expected, especially when kids come along.
Yeah, when kids.
Yeah.
I'll keep making
Or you will hang out with all their kids.
I'm gonna keep making younger friends. If they get married, I'm like, bye. Let's look for a younger one.
Good aunt.
You know the song Forever Young.
Oh my God. Forever young doesn't mean that you should not get married.
لا حبيبتي, I'm not getting
Forever
married
young
for a
means
different
like
reason.
live your life. Forever young just means live your life.
I'm not getting married for a different reason. Not because staying young. Please, I'm gonna call police on you.
Why? Because I am talking this one.
I have an adult in the car. It's like, you're an adult too. No, I'm not. I'm still in uni. I'm still in uni. I think I'm gonna work with kids, so I'm gonna be a kid forever. So kids are stupid, and I like being stupid with kids. I did like give lessons before practice.
And then say, oh, she was my teacher when I was in school.
You know, I see my teacher at the gym.
Yes.
It's to me. La. Look, I plan on being a teacher for 3 years. Only. To get
Every
experience.
single day, have some, hugging. And then there's Monte, she was my teacher, or she was my student. Like,
Do kids really remember? Like,
of course.
second, third grade?
I think the connection between teacher and student is really, really deep, you know, because you see each other every single day, just except weekend. And teachers are studying their kids, and kids also studying their teacher.
Yeah. They're gonna call me the angry teacher.
I still remember the teacher who used to punish me when I was in primary school.
Me too. I only remember the bad
Yeah.
ones. I hate them.
I cannot forget, like
Sad.
when you got punished by your teacher. No, it's impossible to forget.
Never. I can't. Mom's like, خلاص Dana, you're old. I saw one of them.
Yeah.
Not يعني second grade. It was like 7th grade or 8th. I hated her all this time. She made me hate sports. She was like, oh, she's always, I'm not good enough. And whenever I'm trying, she's like, Dana, try more. Then, خلاص, I hate it. Everything. I hated sports. That's why I got into the gym late. When I was 22 or 23.
Yeah.
It's because of her. So then I met her. Maha's, you know Maha and Hanof, right? Curly hair.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, they're.
Where are they?
Very bored.
Oh.
So their auntie died because of cancer. She was a teacher. And I met my old teacher. They're related. My old.
With Maha?
Yeah, she's Maha's auntie. Can you imagine? The teacher I hated. I met her at the funeral.
Okay.
The-
So did Maha knows that you hated her?
Yeah. She used to tell her, "Auntie, Dana hates you so much." She keeps sending message. But she's like, Dana says if she sees you, she's gonna punch you. And then I saw her. When I saw her, she's like, she's laughing. And I'm like, what? She's like, do you still hate you? I'm like, yeah. And she's like, let's make up.
Dana doesn't forgive easily.
Yeah, she said, let's make up, halas.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
So you
halas.
did?
Yeah, she's like, you know what? You're right. I was only strict with you. I'm like, so I was right. I'm not crazy. She's like, because you're always shy. You don't want to play. Why should I was like, I had a big ass. I used to do this.
Everyone wanted to have a big ass, and now
Now?
you
Before
fought
it was
your teacher because you had a big ass.
She told me, she said, come look at the girls now. Everyone's flaunting their big ass. I said, yeah, but the good old days, big ass is a bad sign. Yani, why do I have a big ass and I'm young? It's weird. Like boobs. One day you wake up with boobs. Yani, it was weird and awkward. So I was like covering it all the time. She's
You know,
like,
the good thing is that you don't have a big boobs.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Now I want to get rid of my ass.
How suffocated you're gonna be if you have a big boob and you're gonna
Yeah.
complain every single
I'm
day.
already suffocating with my asthma.
Oh my
Imagine
God.
big boobs. Maybe I'm gonna die.
And you say, I hate myself, I hate my body.
Yeah, wallah, it was so awkward. And she used to let me crawl on the floor. And that
Huh?
shows my ass a lot. I was like, khalas, I will do good. Just don't make me crawl. She's like, no. Wallah, I hated her. But khalas, yeah, I forgave her. She's nice. Now that I'm an adult,
Yeah.
she's nice.
Good.
As a teacher, she said, what's your major? I'm like, she's like, inshallah, not sports education. I was like, it is. She's like, I can't believe it.
And now you study sports.
Yeah.
Ah.
I told her I came back to get revenge.
Oh my God.
She's laughing.
Take it out. How many years you are using this brand lipstick?
Maybe
Only this is touching Dana's lips.
10 years.
Yeah. Labello.
Labella. I'm loyal. I'm
Very
to
loyal.
Labella.
I've never seen anyone.
It's heavy on the lips.
Which one?
Vaseline.
Vaseline. I don't use Vaseline on the lips.
They have a lip balm.
Yeah, I know. I think even the lotion is heavy, right?
Yeah, it is. And I know grandmas use it. I
because when they grow, when you will get older, and your skin barrier will be like,
It would be softer? Like,
no, not like softer. It will become dry.
oh,
Collagen will,
okay. But
like
it
your
gives,
collagen will
moisture.
gone. Yeah. So it's hard to get your skin moisture.
So where should we park?
Uh,
They don't have an underground parking, right?
I don't know.
Maybe because it's all.
Go that area because
Yeah. I think from
we will decide where to sit when we get inside. Yeah. Poles. Still poles?
there. I think they
Poles
have
or
coffee
pole? Pole. Pole
too.
Arabia.
Yeah, pole. I think.
Near gate 3. Pole is near gate 3. But Adi, we can walk.
Don't be lazy on your off day.
Walk. Who is lazy?
You.
What makes you say that I'm lazy?